Play! Let's make mole chicken. Frying pan. Chicken.
Okay, that'll work.
Cilantro. Onion.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Chocolate. Chili powder.
You're a master chef.
Cumin. Done! You made mole chicken. Did you know that mole poblano sauce has chocolate in it? Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. Next, let's make Peking duck. Casserole dish. Duck.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Orange. Soy sauce.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Honey. Cinnamon.
Okay, that'll work.
Pepper. Done! You made Peking duck. Did you know that Peking duck is named after the city of Beijing? That's because when some people tried to say Beijing, they pronounced it Peking by mistake. Next, let's make borscht. Pot. Beef.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Onion. Cabbage.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Salt.
Okay, that'll work.
Pepper.
Okay, that'll work.
Done! You made borscht. Did you know that borscht is soup that's sometimes made from beans? That's why borscht is sometimes bright red. Next, let's make kofta kebabs. Frying pan. Ground lamb.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Onion. Parsley.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Cinnamon. Cumin.
You're a master chef.
Done! You made kofta kebabs. Did you know that kebabs are made with meat, fish, and even fruit? Fruit kebabs, who knew? Next. Make your own dish. Frying pan. Chicken.
You're a master chef.
Fig. Pepper.
You're a master chef.
Chili powder.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Done! You made pep-fried chicken. Did you know that figs have lots of natural sugar? That's why I call them, drum roll please, next. Pot. Fish.
Yay! Dinner is saved.
Carrot. Pepper.
You're a master chef.
Cinnamon. Cheese.
Okay, that'll work.
You made extra sweet fish soup. Did you know